Made in Space is the industry leader in space manufacturing technology that allows us to build space-optimized structures on orbit to advance space exploration. Relocating to Jacksonville really represents kind of a strategic growth opportunity for Made in Space. And we really view this business-friendly climate and resources and strong partners like Space Florida and Cecil Spaceport as essential for us going to the next level. I think there is a great quality of life here, and discovering Jacksonville in a lot of ways was kind of like a reflective period where I was discovering a lot about myself. I found that I've really gotten into like the craft cocktail scene, and so I think there are so many pockets around the city that offer things where you can really plug in and connect.
My current position is the Payload Operations and Safety Engineer. When I first knew that I was coming to Jacksonville, I was pleasantly surprised. It's just very lively, very community-oriented. There's a great number of historic districts that hone in on the history of Jacksonville and the beauty of those neighborhoods.
I am a mechanical engineer at Made in Space on the Archinaut team. Being from the Northeast and from New York City, I never really pictured myself living in the South. When I came down here, I found that I could take advantage of things that are here. I was able to get involved in surfing. I just got my advanced open water scuba diving certification. Being able to experience those things that sort of replaced that perception that I had had, it changed the way that I had thought about this place, and I started living my life, you know? I'm really enjoying it here.
I found my JAX in having the room to grow and discover more about myself.
I found my JAX in a city of tight-knit communities.
I found my JAX in the gems that I never expected to find.